Hey everyone, again, this is Ed from Mr. C's Auto Mart. We're looking at a really nice 2015 Chevy Malibu LTZ. That's the fanciest version of the Malibu. It's got the 4-cylinder engine. This one has 100,000 miles. It's got the black spoked factory wheels. Michelin tires. It's got body-colored side view mirrors with the supplemental turn signals, chrome door and handles. So we walk around the car to the back. It's got the EcoBoost engine, Malibu LTZ, as we see. Very, very nice condition, fully serviced, low mileage, just a great car. Again, we'll pan around to the front for you. I've had this just about a week, and we'll get over here to take a look at the inside front seat compartment. It's maroon leather with black trim, really, really spiffy looking. It's got remote start. The back seat again has that beautiful maroon leather. Here's the trunk here. Very spacious, and this one has an accessory, which is the little cargo screen in the back that can hold your grocery bags, etc. Nothing flopping around the trunk. As we come into the driver compartment here, it's got a power driver's seat. Multifunctional lumbar support. Steering wheel controls for Bluetooth, the radio, cruise control. It's got 100,517 miles. It's the MyLink radio. Automatic climate control. You have all your ports here for USB aux. And again, it has remote start, as we looked at. In very fine condition. It's OnStar cable. And we'd invite you to come by and take a look. We have this car advertised for $14,997, and it's got no miles. Great thanks. Financing is available here through major banks that we've had for years, so we invite you to come by and take a look. Again, this is Ed from Mr. C's Auto Mart.